This is the book of Luke 21, verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall not be from heaven. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Wakakadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son Ba'ashem, the name Hamashiach Yahushai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash tongue. And I say Barakathon to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as the March the 20th, 2025 on this Thursday afternoon. And this is from the latest earthquakes from earthquake.usgs.gov as always. And this is a 4.9 earthquake in 63 kilometers northeast of Patalio, Indonesia. 2.6 earthquake in Petula, California. 5.5 earthquake in Mid-Atlantic Ridge. 2.8 earthquake in northwest of Dyersburg, Tennessee. 5.2 earthquake southeast of the Royal Islands. 4.8 earthquake 20 kilometers west of northwest of Al-Qalassim, Afghanistan. 4.9 earthquake 36 kilometers of southeast of Weatherly, New Zealand. 4.2 earthquake 12 kilometers northeast of Yedusu, Turkey. 4.8 earthquake 109 kilometers south of Borica, Panama. 2.7 earthquake 18 kilometers west of northwest of Jal, New Mexico. 4.4 earthquake 87 kilometers southeast of Dog, Alaska. 4.6 earthquake 145 kilometers southeast of Zaguardia, Philippines, if I pronounced that right. 4.4 earthquake 161 kilometers northeast of Agals, Indonesia. 3.6 earthquake 91 kilometers southeast of Aldalk, Alaska. Another earthquake in that same region, right? Because you had two of them, I'll say like three of them in the same region, extra two more, a 3.7 and a 3.4 in that same region. 2.6 earthquake 1 kilometers west of Gil Elder, Kansas. 2.5 earthquake 2 kilometers southwest of Indios, Puerto Rico. 2.5 earthquake in the same region 3 kilometers southeast of Indios, Puerto Rico. Another 2.6 in the same region of 3 kilometers southeast of Indios, Puerto Rico. 2.5 earthquake 47 kilometers northwest of Halls Crossing of Utah. 3.1 earthquake 49 kilometers southeast of Denali National Park, Alaska. 5.3 earthquake South Sandwich Island region. 2.8 earthquake 2 kilometers southwest of Indios, Puerto Rico. And another 2.7, same region, 1 kilometer southeast of Indios, Puerto Rico. 5.0 earthquake 89 kilometers southeast of Adalk, Alaska. 3.0 earthquake 11 kilometers east of northeast of Valley Grove Springs, California. 3.8 earthquake 92 kilometers southeast of Alaska. 2.9 earthquake 39 kilometers west of Anchorage Point, Alaska. 4.5 earthquake 8 kilometers southeast of Jaya, Japan. 4.4 earthquake 1 kilometer southeast of Indios, Puerto Rico. 2.5 earthquake 1 kilometers east of southeast of Glen Elder, Kansas. 3.7 earthquake 11 kilometers east from northeast of Valley Grove Springs, California. 5.0 earthquake 5 kilometers southwest of Puerto El Triunfo, El Salvador. 3.9 earthquake 69 kilometers southeast of Dal, Alaska. 4.3 earthquake 215 kilometers of North Nathaniel Timor-Leste region. 4.1 earthquake east to southeast of Arica, if I pronounced that right, of Chile. 4.4 earthquake 7 kilometers east of northeast of Chapultepec, Chile. 4.0 earthquake 77 kilometers southeast of Dock, Alaska. 2.7 earthquake 35 kilometers southeast of Hope, New Mexico. 5.5 earthquake South Sandwich Island regions. 3.7 earthquake 103 kilometers northeast of Punta Cana, Cana, Dominican Republic. 4.4 earthquake in the north of Angelo Ventu. 3.0 earthquake 43 kilometers east of Pedro Bay, Alaska. 5.2 earthquake in Alaska. 2.9 earthquake in cities south of White Cities, New Mexico. 5.0 earthquake 208 kilometers east of Little Black Fuji. 5.4 earthquake in the 770 kilometers of Deck, Alaska. And 3.7 earthquake. 3.7 earthquake in 103 kilometers northeast of Veracruz, Puerto Rico. 2.6 earthquake. Oh, that was from the 19th. So those was the latest rounds of earthquakes in diverse places as of March the 20th, 2025 on this Thursday afternoon. And then you had a 5.5 earthquake 307 miles from Montrez, and a 5.5 earthquake in the South Sandwich Island region. And then you had a 5.6 earthquake as of yesterday from 446 miles of Alaska, and a 3.2 earthquake 2 days ago in the southwest region outside of Seattle, Washington. And then as of yesterday, you had a magnitude of a 3.7 earthquake struck Southern California, which is typical. It says 2 overnight earthquakes reported in southwest Georgia, probably a small magnitude. So those was the latest of earthquakes as of today, March the 20th, 2025, on this Thursday afternoon, as I mentioned before. And this is the book of 2nd Esdras. 2nd Esdras chapter 9 verse 2. It says, "Then thou shalt understand it is that very same time where in the highest, which the Heavenly Father Yahweh will begin to visit the world which he made." Right, so he's going to make a visitation with the earthquakes in diverse places, which we continue to see increase. We're going to see more increasing signs of that. And then you're going to have places where that haven't normally you wouldn't expect to get hit with an earthquake. And we're going to be seeing signs of that as well too. So that's why, it makes perfect sense. Like it says in Luke 21 verse 11, earthquakes in diverse places. So we're going to be seeing more signs of that in these earthquakes in diverse places. 2nd Esdras chapter 9 verse 3, it says, "Therefore, when there should be seen earthquakes and uproars people the world," right? So increasing earthquakes is only going to continue to expand and increasing. It's the book of Psalms 18 and verse 7. It's the book of Psalms 18 verse 7. "Then the earth shook and trembled, and the foundations also the hills were moved with shake because of his wrath." So we're going to be seeing volcano eruptions, wildfires, earthquakes in diverse places as well too. And that's the visitation from the Heavenly Father, Yahweh himself, the true creator in the heavens and the earth. And this is Prophet Isaiah chapter 28 and verse 2. It says, "Behold, the power of Yahweh has a mighty and a strong one, which is a tempest of hell and a destroying storm, as a flood of mighty waters, and they overflowing should cast down to the earth with their hand." Right, so we're going to be seeing more visitation from the Heavenly Father, Yahweh himself. And over here in Illinois, we had heavy floodings in downstate Illinois. And then we had tornadoes as of yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. And then with the recent tornadoes that took place, I would say like a couple of days ago, that hit like 4 or 5 states in the United States. So that's the visitation from the Heavenly Father, Yahweh Himself. With these tornadoes, storms, and tempests, wildfires, volcano erupts, earthquakes in diverse places, and etc. This is Isaiah 29 verse 6. It says, "And thou shalt be visited of Yahweh of hosts with thunder and with earthquake and great noise, and storms and tempests and the flaming bar of fire." Well, so that's the visitation from the Heavenly Father, Yahweh of hosts, with the increasing thunder, the great noise, and storms and tempests. These are wildfires, mudslides, landslides, floodings, earthquakes in diverse places, etc. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of the latest of earthquakes in diverse places as of March the 20th, 2025 on this Thursday afternoon. So hopefully this was edifying. And with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem HaKadosh, and the Heavenly Father. The true names Yahweh and His unbegotten Son Ba'Hashem, and then Hamashiach Yahushua. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadosh Little Tongue. And I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles, while Akim Akwaf. Until next time, I would say Shalom.